All right, what's up, y'all? So this is day 2 of the tire BS. So Jazz is over there, I'm over here. So we gotta run to NTB. So a while back something happened to the car. We had to take it to a body shop, and they fixed it, then took it to NTB to get it aligned, and it ate through our tires. So, you know, after you saw what happened yesterday, you saw that we had to go to discount, and discount put the wrong tire on, and yeah. So now we gotta go to NTB so they can realign it, but I guess I'm just gonna have to have them put the tires on. But yeah, so we're on our way to NTB. We will holler at y'all when we get there. Oh, hey guys, didn't know y'all was there. Hey, but I need y'all to do me 4 things. I need y'all to like, share, comment, and the big main thing is subscribe. I need y'all to watch my videos. Let's get monetized. And then when I do get monetized, everybody's happy. We can do giveaways. We can do whatever is gonna make everybody happy. Peace, y'all. Hey, so guys, all right, so in the first part of the video, y'all saw that I was on my way to NTB. So let's take a step back. I don't know what happened to my stuff, but day before, we was running around Discount Tire. We went and pick up the drag radials. And when we went to go pick them up, he had everything ready, everything good to go. So we went down the street and we ordered another tire because where we got the drag radials from, he couldn't get them. So they had a tire in stock. So we get there, he takes the wheel off, he puts a tire on it. So when he put the tire on it, I was like, nah, bro, this ain't the right tire. And he was like, oh, you're right. Now, when I worked at Discount Tire, I grabbed, if somebody wanted the same exact tire, I would grab the tire and match it up with what's on the car already. So he didn't do that. So I think he put like a Michelin geometry on there. And we had Pilot Sports AS's. 2 totally different types of tire. Like one is a semi-sport all season, and one is just all season that you'll put like on a Prius. But it was a pretty rad tire for a Prius though. So, but yeah, so that happened, right? So then we rushed down the freeway like 4 exits flying. So we left the V there because he had to put another tire on. They stayed open for us. So we flew down like 5 exits, picked up 2 tires, picked up a tire, and they charged the other discount. So then we hustled back to the other discount, and they put the tire on for us because they had one in stock. Cool. So, you know, that's day 1 of getting the tire alignment situation done. So now we're gonna go back to that video. Sorry, y'all. Well, we just pulled up. Jazz is in her car. We're in TV. So, like I said, we still got tires that we gotta mount and so much. But yeah, so let us wait until they open at 10. But we'll see. Oh yeah, what I'm jamming right now. But yeah, so let us wait. We'll see what's up. Well, we definitely got to check out this line because if you look at it, and then this one. But yeah, so there's something up with this alignment, so we're gonna get that figured out. Hopefully the alignment dude comes in Well, I'm just gonna have to end up taking it to Muffler King and let them do it. Man, here it's free because they have to correct what they did wrong, but at Muffler King I'm gonna have to pay to get a 4-wheel alignment on that one. So yeah. And then I gotta wait for him to be available. It's gonna be a whole thing. So let's get these tires mounted and we'll go from there. Alright, well, we got the new meats. I got the new meats on there. So he's about to put it on the rack. We're gonna look and see where it's at. He's not doing it right now because he's got a truck up there. So we're gonna do it here in just a sec and see where it's at so we can get this thing flat, because man, this thing counter steers like so crazy, and then like the rack, the steering wheel will be here but it's going straight. So when it's supposed to be here and going straight, it's not. So let's get this thing fixed. So sick week and me driving with this trailer will be safe. Alright, well, it's up there on the rack now. We had to make our little makeshift, you know, whatever, to get up here, but it's up here. So now we're about to get this thing figured out. Okay, so y'all probably just saw the car on the rack, right? When I was telling y'all that it wasn't working. It ate, I want to say it ate one tire. So we get it on the rack, and dude, like literally, I don't know, I wish my video was still here. I don't know where it's at. Now, mind you, this is a year and a month late editing. So we literally put it up there. Dude literally goes to go grab the bolt to loosen it up to start on the alignment, and it was loose. So, and like I'm gonna say, like, we were like, you have the wheel, what will be straight, but this is straight, right? So he kept going and going, and then, you know, I learned something about the V's, which I kind of knew about this because it's the some type of locking nuts or washers that you put on the V's to keep them from getting loose, and they're aluminum, so it would rub and eat into it. So yeah, when they left it loose, the lower control arm, it wore itself out. Now, it's a good thing we caught it when we did, because it only wore out just ever so slightly. But you know, they cost us a tire, cost us and a control arm, and I think both control arms were, I think both sides were loose, if I remember correctly. But yeah, so yeah. Alright, so like I told y'all earlier, we picked up some drag radials, but we need the drag radials on the wheels. So now we're about to go to another tire shop, and they're gonna put them on. And yeah, let's hurry up and get this video over with, because this has been a long 2 days. Alright, well, now the alignment is fixed as good as can be. We got some bad news. I'll also post that in the video, but what's that going on? But now we got them putting the drag radials on. Well, hold on, y'all. Almost. Alright, so like I told you, the videos are disappearing, so it is what it is. Even in another video that you're about to see too, video was disappearing. So I'm gonna be doing this, and it's probably gonna be the same day in these videos. So get ready to see me looking just like I'm looking with my Built by London shirt and puppy. Yeah, like I said, so we went there and we got the tires on, we got the car aligned, So now we're perfect. We're ready to go to sick week. So now, next video, we got to add something to the back of the Cadillac so we can get around with sick week with our stuff. And I think this guy's gonna do the outro for y'all. Hey, King, hey, tell them what you need them to do so we can buy you new toys and stuff. Okay. All right. Bro, I know. Okay. So let me translate that for them. Okay. Hold on. Wait. Hey. Oh, I'm in my room, y'all. It's messy. So I'm a boy. I'm a man, not a boy. Okay. So King said, can y'all please like, share, subscribe, and comment and tell everybody? Because he wants new toys. We need new toys. So thank y'all, guys. See y'all later.